this slide, let us now look at what is a unified data model and how it has been architected in NetSuite Business Solutions. Many organizations buy enterprise resource planning software, customer relationship management software, and e-commerce solution from different vendors. These solutions are implemented by different service providers. Each of them have their own database and data model centered around their applications, creating lot of data silos within the organization. There are many common data points in an organization, like customers and their contact details, stock keeping units, pricing information, stock availability, financial information, which cut across different departments and can be shared. To get a single view of the common data points and avoid data redundancy, many organizations spend lot of money and time to integrate their ERP and CRM solutions. The complexity increases if they have a subsidiary operations or if they have a web store or e-commerce solution which need to be integrated with their back-office systems. Organizations leveraging the unified data model across ERP, CRM, and e-commerce solutions will avoid data redundancy, integration issues, and are flexible for growth and changing business requirements. The biggest strength of NetSuite comes from unified data model and single code base. While many software vendors will tout the integration features between their respective ERP, CRM, and e-commerce software systems, NetSuite is the only vendor to offer all the three solutions in a single, unified package. Each of these applications is modular, which essentially means ERP, CRM, and e-commerce can work independently. They also have a common data model, and they can work as an integrated system. They can exchange data at different boundary points between the various applications in a seamless way. For example, once you have initiated a lead in the CRM system and taken through the sales cycle, when the order is confirmed, the same can be booked in sales order management system in the ERP solution. There is no need to re-enter all the details again in the ERP system. Likewise, when the customer confirms the order in the e-commerce solution, the order is booked seamlessly in the sales order management system in ERP solution. Based on the order approval, it is automatically pushed to the warehouse employee, who in turn prints a pick ticket through the ERP system. After the order is picked and dispatched, it subsequently calls on the e-commerce application to update the shipping status and also closes the order. When the ERP and CRM systems are working as standalone systems, these interactions are driven by an automated script at a predefined interval. While such data transfers between the applications are possible, implementing the systems to work this way adds an unnecessary degree of complexity into the business, including the data issues. As a unified platform, NetSuite solves a lot of these problems because all of the data related to ERP, CRM, and e-commerce functions are stored and shared in the same database. This removes a tremendous amount of complexity for the business, both in terms of implementation and obtaining data from a single source of truth. NetSuite software is a great fit across several industries and company size. Out-of-the-box NetSuite software provides a rich functional capabilities for different industries using a single code base. This allows the software to be configured for different industries like wholesale and distribution, software industry, professional services, manufacturing, non-profit organizations, retail, and e-commerce companies. Maintaining the application is much easier, as there is no need for releasing a separate version for each industry solution. Also, the single code base gives a uniform feel across all the devices and consistent user interface across all the browsers. NetSuite applications can be extended or customized using the Suite Cloud platform. NetSuite's Suite Cloud platform includes a comprehensive set of graphical and programming tools that supports the limitless customizations of the application. The underlying metadata-driven architecture ensures that customizations carry forward after each upgrade. The Suite Cloud platform is available to all the customers free of cost as part of the subscription price. NetSuite Integrations has been built based on an open platform architecture. NetSuite Cloud Integration supports open standard APIs to communicate and exchange data with other applications. NetSuite provides SOAP and REST API frameworks, event notifications and callouts, CSV file imports, SQL connectors, integration solutions, and partner applications that support real-time access to data. NetSuite has the capability to act as a client or as an integration server. As a client, it can push and pull data to and from an external application. As an integration server, it allows an external application to push and fetch data to and from NetSuite. Tools like SuiteTalk helps you to achieve the integration with external systems, and Suite Analytics Connect services helps you to connect and fetch data from external systems for reporting and buy purposes. You can get more details in a separate course titled Integrating Applications with NetSuite.